Hello, my families. Welcome back. In the previous class, we have seen about traditional Ethiopian equipment. Okay, traditional Ethiopian equipment. And as you know, in AMHARIC, traditional Ethiopian equipment means ባህላዊ የኢትዮጵያ ቁሳቁሶች. Okay, ባህላዊ የኢትዮጵያ ቁሳቁሶች. It means that traditional Ethiopian equipment. Okay, traditional Ethiopian equipment. So in today's class, we'll see the next. The other of the traditional Ethiopian equipment, and as you can see here, this Ethiopian traditional equipment is called what? Rakabot. Okay, it's called what? Rakabot. Okay, rakabot. This traditional Ethiopian equipment is called rakabot. Okay, rakabot. This one. Okay, and rakabot is what? It's a coffee serving equipment. Okay, it's what? It's a coffee serving equipment. Okay, this one. Rakabot. And it can be made from what? Wood. Okay, as you can see here, it can be made from wood. Okay, also it can be made from what? Plastic. Also it can be made from aluminum. Okay, so its purpose is what? In order to serve coffee. Okay, the Ethiopian coffee ceremony. As you know, Ethiopia has a coffee ceremony. Here, this one. Okay, so it is used as what? As a coffee serving equipment. Okay, and as you can see, rakabot is what? It's a small cupboard. Okay, it's a small cupboard used for making and serving coffee. It is used what? For making and serving coffee. So the cupboard can have what? A different size. Okay, as you can see, it can be small, it can be medium, also it can be what? Large, based on what? Based on the number of people. If the number of people are too many people, so the rakabot can be too large. Okay, or it can be medium or it can be small. So the important thing is that the traditional Ethiopian equipment, this one is called what? Rakabot in Amharic language. It's called what? Rakabot. Okay. So rakabot it's a coffee serving equipment, and it can be made from wood, plastic, or aluminum. And it's what? It's a small cupboard used for making and serving coffee. Okay. So I think I became familiar with this one. Okay, it's called a rakabot. Okay, rakabot. Now let us see other traditional Ethiopian equipment. Okay, this one, and it's called what? Jabana. It's called what? Jabana. Okay, jabana. Here it is. Jabana in Amharic. Jabana. Okay, jabana. It's called what? Jabana. And jabana is what? It's a clay coffee pot. It's what? It's a clay coffee pot. Okay, jabana it's a clay coffee pot. Okay, it's made from what? Clay. Okay, as you can see, this one is made from clay. Okay, jabana is made from clay, so it's a clay coffee pot. Okay, jabana, and it's what? It is what? A round base. Okay, here as you can see, it's a round base and with a narrow spot. Okay, with a narrow spot here. And also it has with a sweeping handle. Okay, it has what? It has a sweeping handle here. And this jabana is used what? In Ethiopian coffee ceremony. Okay, it's the famous equipment. Okay, in Ethiopian coffee ceremony, it's this one. Okay, it's called what? Jabana. Okay, and it is mainly used what? It is used to brew coffee. Okay, jabana is mainly used to brew coffee. Okay, jabana is mainly used to brew coffee. So this traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Jabana. And it's what? It's a clay coffee pot made from what? Clay. Okay, and it's what? It's a round base here, and with what? With a narrow spout on its head. Then it has what? A sweeping handle, and it's used what? In Ethiopian coffee ceremony. Okay, and it's mainly used what? To brew coffee. So I think you became familiar with this traditional Ethiopian equipment. It's called what? Jabana. Okay, jabana. Okay. Let us see the other traditional Ethiopian equipment. Okay, here it is. The other traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Kasal mandeja. Okay, the other traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Kasal mandeja. Okay, kasal mandeja. Here it is. Okay, and it's what? It's either circular or it has circular or rectangular shape. Okay, this kasal mandeja has what? A circular shape, or it has what? A rectangular shape, and it can be made from what? It can be made from aluminum or clay. Okay, but the picture here you can see is what is made, both of them, they are made from aluminium, okay? This and this one is also made from aluminium, but it can also be made from clay, okay? Clay. And what? It is used as what? As a traditional stove, okay? This kasal mandeja is used as what? Used as a traditional stove, okay? By making fire, okay? Here, it makes fire, and on it, there is what? A charcoal, okay? Charcoal. So, but this charcoal is set into fire, so it is used by that. It is used to make stews, okay? Stews such as words, dorot, shrowat. It is used to make what? Stews. Also, it is used what? To boil tea, and also to brew coffee. As you can see, coffee is also brewed on it, okay? On it. So, this traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Kasal mandeja, okay? Kasal mandeja. So it's what? It can be either a circular or a rectangular shape. Also, it can be made from clay or what? Or aluminium, okay? And it is used as what? As a traditional stove, by making what? Fire, okay? Using charcoal. So it is used what? To make what? To make stews, such as what? Shrowat. Also, it is used what? To boil tea, and to brew what? Coffee. So this traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Kasal mandeja, okay? Mandeja. Let us see the other traditional Ethiopian equipment, okay? This one, and it's called what? Girgira, okay? Girgira. This traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Girgira. Okay? Girgira. This one is called what? Girgira, okay? And girgira is what? Is a clay equipment. As you can see, it's a clay. It's made from clay, okay? Made from clay, and it's round and wide open on its upper part. Here, as you can see, it's round and wide open on its upper part. This one, okay? Girgira. And it's mainly used what? To burn incense with what? With different spices, which gives what? Flavor to the house. This one is also most famous during what? During coffee ceremony. This girgira is mostly used what? During what? During coffee ceremony. And it is mostly used what? In Ethiopian coffee ceremony. So this traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Girgira. And it's what? It's a clay equipment. It's made from what? Clay, and it's round and wide open on its what? On its upper part. Okay, as you can see, it's round and wide open on its upper part, and it is mainly used what? To burn incense with what? With different spices, and it gives what? A different flavor to the house. Okay, this. So it's mostly used what? In Ethiopian coffee ceremony. So the other traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Girgira. Okay, girgira. Now let us see the other two traditional Ethiopian equipments, and this traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Safed, okay? It's called what? Safed. As you can see, this traditional Ethiopian equipment, they are both of them are similar, okay? And it's called what? Safed, okay? Safed. This traditional Ethiopian equipment is called Safed, and it's made from what? A woven straw, okay? This Safed is made from what? From a woven straw, okay? Woven straw, and it is mostly used what? In the household. The safed is mostly used in the household, and its main purpose is what? It is used to bring injera from the mitad. Okay. Previously, we have seen that a traditional Ethiopian equipment called mitad, and that mitad is used what? To bake injera. And after that injera is baked, in order to bring out, will we use that? We will use this safed, okay? By using this safed, we will bring the injera from the mitad. So it is mostly used in the household, okay? This safed, and its main purpose is what? Is to bring injera from the mitad, okay? From the mitad. It is also used as a tool to filter different sands and wastes from wheat or barley by our hands. Okay? So this traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Safed, okay? And it's made from woven straw, okay? Woven straw, and it's mostly used in the household. And its main purpose is what? To bring out injera from the mitad. It can also be used, safed also can be used as a tool to filter what? Different sands and wastes from wheat, barley, or by what? By our hands, okay? By our hands. So this traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Safed, okay? It's called safed, okay? The other and the last traditional Ethiopian equipment for now is what? Is this one. It's called what? Agelgil. Okay, Agelgil. This traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Agelgil. They are both of them are similar. Okay, it's only their color. And this traditional Ethiopian equipment is called what? Agelgil. Okay, Agelgil. And agelgil is also made from what? From a woven straw. Okay, this one is also made from a woven straw, and it's typically traditional mini fridge. Okay, mini fridge. Nowadays, in modern times, we have fridge. Okay, this one is what? Is a traditional Ethiopian equipment. Typically what? Traditional mini fridge. Okay, it is used as a fridge since it is mostly used what? To pack different kinds of traditional Ethiopian foods. Okay, it is used what? This agelgil is used as what? To pack different kinds of traditional Ethiopian foods. Okay, for people who are traveling far places. Okay, when people travel in far places, food. Okay, traditional Ethiopian foods used to be what? Packed. This one is this agelgil. So you can hold it on your back. It's easy. Okay, here it has what? In order to hold, it has what? It has here place. So you'll hold it on your back or on your shoulder when you go to what? To far places, and when you travel to long places. So when you are tired, when you feel hungry, you can open it. Okay, here the food will be packed in here. So when you are going to far places, okay, you'll hold it on your shoulder, and when you are what? Hungry, and when you are tired of, you can open it and you can eat the food from it. So it is used as what? As a packing material, and it's called what? Agelgil. Okay, agelgil. This is a traditional, well-known Ethiopian equipment. Okay, it's called what? Agelgil. So for today, we have seen what? The traditional Ethiopian equipment. Okay, I think you have become familiar with Ethiopian traditional equipment. Okay, in the next class, we'll see other important ideas or points.